Well, depending on how you look at it, it's been a terrible week for cryptocurrency. Bitcoin's price dropped below $32,000, nearly half of what it was selling for just 6 months ago. Other cryptocurrencies also saw similar losses. This Money Monday, our financial expert, Paul Hood, is here to break down kind of the negative ups and downs when we talk about crypto. We talk about it once in a while. I got my phone in my hand because I've been watching the numbers here today.
The numbers.
You know, Bitcoin at one point today down 16%. At this hour, down 8%. You know, if you can get in on that, you know, it's pretty good. You can buy it, like you say, on sale.
Yeah.
But when we talk crypto, we always talk about how volatile it is. That is not a place you really want to invest. I mean, you've got some extra money you want to play around, sure. As far as an investment, how do you feel about it? Well,
you know, and I got to be careful because I don't want to say anything that recommends people buy it, and I don't want to say anything that says don't buy it. It's, I'm a planner, and our job is to try to take what is normally unpredictable and make it predictable. And that predictability comes from consistency and something based on value. There's a lot of people, we have a lot of clients that have made a substantial amount of money in the cryptos and those kind of things, but it's primarily speculative. You know, if you've got time to watch it and you know, you want to, you know, it's like going to Vegas a little better because, you know, you can watch the trends going up and down. It's not something that I would recommend as a strategy for retirement. But for hitting some home runs, it's some pretty good stuff. So again, you should get excited when it goes down, right? Because that's where we're at.
Yeah, at that 15% mark, you've put in $1,000, you'd be sitting pretty right now at 8%. Right. How is it different than the stock market? Somebody had asked that on social media. I wanted to ask.
So it's the difference between it and the stock market is they're both driven by fear and greed to an extent. Crypto is primarily driven by fear or greed. The stock market, at least there's stocks that have a basis behind them, something, Coca-Cola, you know, whatever is behind it so that you can quantify a value. The best advice I can give to people, though, is buy consistently. And so if you want to get into crypto, even with crypto, I would say put $500,000 a month, every month. So then when it goes up, yay. When it goes down, double yay, because you're buying it on sale. It's a concept called dollar cost averaging.
You may want to start with just $50 or $100.
Yeah.
That's what I do with crypto. I got it a few weeks ago. It was too much for me. Let's jump into some viewer questions here. Jeanette says she bought recently 39 acres of land, plans to use it to run livestock. Going to buy a tractor, some other equipment soon. She wants to know if she can start depreciating that immediately or if she should wait till the 1-year mark when she really starts selling off her livestock.
So the IRS, what their requirement is when is it placed in service, Brian? So it's not when you sell, and it's not even when she buys cattle. It's when is she in business to buy cattle or to whatever. So if she buys the tractor and she's got the land and she's searching for the right type of time to buy cattle, then she's already in business, so she could depreciate it now. So, and it's even if she buys it or buys the tractor on time and doesn't pay for it till future years, it's when it's placed in service.
Okay.
So, when she's in business.
Good to know. Thank you for clearing up some of the crypto for us today. It gets a little bit confusing for folks.
You bet.
So we appreciate it. Listen, if you're watching right now, you have a financial question you want us to jump in on and talk about next Monday, you can send in your question right now to moneymonday@griffin.news, and we are back on the other side of this break.